The future of warfare is here. It's small, it's agile, and it's flown remotely. Drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are changing the battleground. Drones are a significant threat. They are difficult to detect and can carry lethal payloads. India recognizes this evolving danger. Our nation is at the forefront of developing countermeasures. We are developing advanced technology to protect our skies. Our weapon of choice? Lasers. In 2019, a chilling incident occurred. Drones attacked an Indian Air Force base. This event highlighted the urgent need for effective drone defense. India turned to its leading defense research organization, DRDO. DRDO accepted the challenge. Their answer was a game changer. They developed a directed energy weapon, DW. This system is designed to track and neutralize hostile drones. It is a marvel of engineering and a testament to Indian innovation. How does this laser system work? It's a fascinating process. First, the system uses advanced radar to detect incoming drones. Once detected, the system locks onto the target. Then, the high-energy laser beam is fired. This beam travels at the speed of light. The intense heat from the laser beam causes the drone to malfunction. The drone is then neutralized, either disabled or destroyed. Section 4. Power and Precision. The DRDO laser variants. DRDO has developed two variants of this laser system. One with a 10 kilowatt laser and another with a 20 kilowatt laser. The 10 kilowatt laser can engage targets up to 2 kilometers away. The more powerful 20 kilowatt variant can reach targets up to 4 kilometers away. Both variants are highly effective against small and medium-sized drones. They provide a robust defense against this growing threat. Section 5. A cost-effective defense: lasers versus missiles. Traditional missile defense systems are expensive. Each missile can cost millions of dollars. In contrast, laser shots are incredibly cost-effective. Each shot from the DRDO laser system costs less than $1. This makes laser defense a game-changer. It provides a high-tech solution at a fraction of the cost of traditional systems. Section 6. Strategic Deployment: Protecting India's Skies. The DRDO laser system is highly mobile. It can be easily deployed to critical locations. This includes military bases, government buildings, and major events. The system is designed for rapid response. It can detect, target, and neutralize drones in seconds. This provides a crucial layer of protection against these agile threats. Section 7. India, a rising star in laser technology. With the development of this laser defense system, India joins an elite group of nations. We are now at the forefront of directed energy weapon technology. This achievement is a testament to the talent and innovation of Indian scientists and engineers. This breakthrough is also a major boost for the Make in India initiative. It showcases India's growing capabilities in defense technology. We are not just consumers of technology anymore, we are creators. The future of warfare is here and India is ready. We are developing the technology we need to protect our nation. The DRDO laser defense system is just the beginning. We can expect even more advanced laser technologies in the years to come. India will be at the forefront of this technological revolution.